Friends, welcome to the sixth episode of this series Bird Watching Aquatic Birds. The white-throat kingfisher is India's one of the most colorful and widely recognized birds. With its brilliant turquoise blue wings, rich chestnut brown head and body, bright red bill, and a striking white throat and breast, this bird is a spectacular sight in both rural and urban landscapes. This bird occupies a wide variety of habitats, including agricultural lands, village outskirts, open forest, wetlands, riverbanks, lakes, canals, mangroves, grasslands, gardens, and even urban areas. There are about 12 species of kingfishers bird across India, and some of the most common includes white-throat kingfisher, common kingfisher, paid kingfisher, stalk-billed kingfisher, black-capped kingfisher, blue-eared kingfisher, Orient dwarfed kingfisher, collared kingfisher, reddy kingfisher, and brown-winged kingfisher. Among these, the white-throated kingfisher is the most adaptable and commonly encountered species. It prefers locations with scattered trees or electric wires that serves as excellent hunting perches. Although it is often seen near water bodies, it can thrive far away from rivers and lakes because its diet is not limited to fish. White-throat kingfisher is an opportunistic hunter. It usually sits quietly on a branch, a fence, or electric wire, carefully watching the ground or water below. Once it spots its prey, it swoops down with remarkable speed and precision. Its diet includes fish, frogs, tadpoles, lizard, small snakes, crabs, insects such as grasshoppers, beetles, dragonflies, and crickets, then earthworms, small rodents, and occasionally small birds. After catching its prey, it often returns to its perch and repeatedly strike the prey against a branch to kill it or to remove hot parts before swallowing it whole. The breeding season generally extends from March to July month, although it varies slightly depending upon the regional and local climate conditions. Unlike many birds that build nest with twigs and leaves, the white-throat kingfisher excavate a tunnel nest. Both male and female digs a tunnel using their strong bills in earthen riverbanks, mud embankments, sandy cliffs, road cuttings, soil mounds, and occasionally termite mounds. It's very interesting to see this. The tunnel nest is typically 30 to 100 centimeters long and ends in a rounded nesting chamber where the eggs are laid. No nesting material is added. The eggs are placed directly on the bare ground. A female bird usually lays about 4 to 7 glossy white eggs. Both the male and female share the incubation duties, which last about 19 to 21 days. When the chicks hatch, they are blind, featherless, and completely depend upon their parents. Both parents work tirelessly to feed and protect the young chicks. After 5 weeks, chicks become independent and they will lead their own life. Stilt are yet another group of very elegant wading birds and famous for their exceptionally long, slender legs and straight needle-like bills which allow them to forage efficiently in shallow water. They are very active during the day, spending most of their time in walking through shallow water in search of prey and food. These birds are very alert, social, and often nest in loose colonies. Adults vigorously defend nests by calling loudly, diving at predators, or pretending to have an injured wing to distract threats. The breeding season coincides with wet season or periods when wetland are full. Females usually lay 3 to 5 well camouflaged eggs. Both parents incubate the eggs for about 22 to 26 days, staring duties throughout the day and night. The chicks are precocial. That means they are mature, mobile, and capable of independent survival almost immediately from birth or hatching. The grey-headed swamp-hen is a large, colorful wetland bird commonly found in marshes, lakes, ponds, and paddy fields across the Indian subcontinent. This bird is easily recognized by its bluish purple body, grey head, bright red bill, and long reddish legs. The bird is omnivore and feeds on shoots, leaves, seeds, aquatic plants, insects, snails, frogs, and small fish. During a breeding season, the male and female build a large cup-shaped nest using reeds and grasses, usually hidden among dense marsh plants above shallow water. The female typically lays 3 to 7 buff-colored eggs with reddish-brown speckles. These birds are highly social and often live in families, groups, communicating through loud, harsh calls. They are also known for cooperative breeding, where older offspring sometimes help raise young chicks. The red-wattled lapwing is one of the most familiar and alert birds found across India, especially in open fields, wetlands, riverbanks, grasslands, and agricultural lands. It is easily recognized by its black head and chest, brown wings, white belly, bright red bill, and distinctive red fleshy wattles in front of the eyes. This medium-sized bird is active during the day and it is famous for its loud, sharp calls. During the breeding season, the pair makes a simple scrape on bare ground, gravel, or dry soil instead of building a traditional nest. It usually searches food by walking slowly across the ground and picking prey with its bill. Female bird lays about 3 to 4 well camouflaged eggs that blend perfectly with stone and sand, making them difficult for the predators to spot the eggs. So friends, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back shortly with some interesting videos on wildlife. Thank you very much. Kindly support my channel. Thank you.